Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix online connection error code ARAU0297 in ARC Raiders game. So let's go through the methods. The very first method is to check the server status of ARC Raiders. So for that you can go through the link that I have already provided in the description and check if there is any server downtime or so. If so, you have to wait for some time, check it, and then check if the issue is fixed or not. If not, move to the next solution. Next is to check internet connection. So you should check whether internet connection is stable or not. You should run a speed test or switch to a wired connection. Wi-Fi is prone to interference and fluctuations. So using an Ethernet cable provides a more stable and reliable connection, and after that check if the error is resolved or not. If not, next method is to flush DNS. So for that, first you have to open command prompt. In the Windows search for command prompt, and after that paste the command that I have already provided in the description, and after that check if the issue is fixed. If not, next solution is to toggle automatic time and time zone. So for that you have to go to the Windows search over here. Now search for date and time settings, and here you can see set time zone automatically. So here you have to simply turn it off, and after that check if the problem you are coming across is resolved or not. If not, next method is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam. Now under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So after the game files are verified, check if the problem you are coming across is resolved or not. If not, next is to enable or disable VPN. So if you are having any VPN, you have to enable it, and again later on disable it, and then check if the error is fixed or not. If not, next is to link or relink your Embark account. So for that I have already given this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. Now log into it, and after that you have to link or relink your Embark account. Once the linking is done, check if the issue is resolved or not, because this has solved the problem for many users. So you have to simply log into it, and after that link your account and then check if the issue is resolved or not. If not, then the final solution is to take help from the support team. So for that I have already provided this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser, and whatever issue you are coming across, just explain the issue to the support team, or you can also create a ticket here. Simply create a ticket, and hopefully the support team will try to resolve it from their end, and you can be into the game once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.